Hello everyone, this is Kimberly Thibodeaux, and this is Just a Moment with Kimberly. I wanted to talk to you today about a guy who's been in the news the last few days, who goes by the name of Andre Ingram. Who is that, you may ask? Well, Andre Ingram is a 32-year-old basketball player who got his moment finally after toiling for 10 years in the minor leagues of basketball. The Los Angeles Lakers called him up to play in the last 2 games of the season. Well, in the penultimate game, his first game for the Lakers, he scored 19 points and made 2 or 3 three-pointers. And he, it ended up being the hero of the game. The Lakers lost. That's kind of neither here nor there. But the fact is, this is a guy who is 32 years old and made the most of his chance. And everybody goes, where's this guy been for the last 10 years? Well, in the minor leagues. So the reason I wanted to talk to him about him is because there are a lot of folks in this business or any business who may say, oh, I'm too old to start. That's a young person's game. I can't do it. Okay. I give you Roger Federer. I give you Rafael Nadal, who are both in their mid-30s. Oh, and not to mention Serena Williams, who just had a baby in her 30s, playing the best tennis of their lives and whipping these young kids' butts. It's awesome. And so you kind of go, well, all right. Now, granted, 30 isn't old in the real world, but in the world of professional sports, that's kind of getting up there, right? But the fact is, they're playing better than ever. And you know why that is? Number one, they have the skills, but number two, they have maturity. They have experience. Those are the things that you bring if you are somebody who says, I'm too old. No, you're not. Whether you're 30, whether you're 40, whether you're 50, whether you're 60, if you have the drive and if you have the wherewithal to want to learn, you bring a wealth of experience and knowledge and like I said, maturity to your whatever it is that you want to undertake, whether it's online marketing, whether it's starting an offline business, whether it's going for that promotion. You have it. You never lost it. It's still there. And, I'm not in my 20s. I'm not in my 30s. But, I'm here to tell you that we are strong, we are capable, we are willing, and we can do this. And not only can we do this, we can do this really, really well. So I don't want to hear that I'm too old ever again. Because if you do, I will bring up all those names to you, not to mention a very famous painter by the name of Grandma Moses, who didn't even become famous for her paintings till she was almost 100 years old. 100 years old. And she found her place. She found her talent. So I'm just here to tell you that you're never too old. And you can do it, I promise. Because trust me, if I can do it, you can do it, I promise. So until next time, this has been Just a Moment with Kimberly.